Hello students, today the topic of our day is future tense. With the name of the topic only we can come to know that future means the things which have not yet happened, which are going to be taken place in later time, that is in future. So as you say that time and tide wait for no man, so a period of time follow the moment of speaking or writing is called as future tense. For example, she will write a letter. Will. Will is a future tense. As you have seen, we have gone through the tense as past, which is before, now, then present is now, and future after or now. Now, in future tense, there are four parts: simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. So, as we will be going to the each type of the tense, that is simple future, we will come to know about it. The future, simple future, it tells us about an action which has not occurred yet. मतलब जो अभी हुआ नहीं है या होने वाला है, and will occur after saying or in future. So what we use is will or shall plus verb, that is the first form of verb. Now the future tense helping verb shall is used with I and we, and helping verb will is used with all others. I shall, I will is also used, and we shall. When you are making a commitment or warn someone or emphasize something, use of will or shall is reversed. Will is used with I, and we and shall is used with others. Now, in general speaking, there is hardly any difference between shall or will, and normally will is used with all, whether it is affirmative, negative, or interrogative sentences. For positive, we use will shall plus the first form of verb and object. She will write a letter. Then in negative, it will become she will not write a letter. Interrogative, it will become will she write a letter? And interrogative negative will be will she not write a letter? Then we come to future continuous tense. In future continuous tense also, children, rule is will shall plus be and with the verb ing, first form of verb with ing. In this also, students, we use the positive and negative forms as well as the affirmative forms. In this also, will shall plus be, like she will be writing a letter. So will plus be plus verb is write, but we are going to do it, add ing to it, so it will become writing. And what is the object over here? Letter. In negative sentence, she will not be writing a letter. So will not be, then ing, and the object is letter. In interrogative, we will write will she be writing a letter, and negative will she not be writing a letter, this way. Next comes future perfect. It is used to express an action which will happen or occur in future and will be completed by a certain time in future. That means it will be completed. We use the future perfect to say that something will be finished by a particular time in the future. So in this also, we write will or shall plus have. So, positive affirmative sentences, it will be she will have written a letter. She will have written a letter. Because इधर हमें पक्का है कि वो लिखेगी. And then negative will become again will, shall and not. She will not have written a letter. And interrogative, will she have written a letter? And in that interrogative negative it will become will she not have written a letter. Remember that, children. In perfect future you use will, shall plus have and third form of the verb, that is written, is used over here. So that is the third form of verb. Then we come to future perfect continuous. It is used to talk about action that will commence at a fixed time in future and will continue for some time in future. That means एक टाइम पे स्टार्ट होएगा और कुछ देर के लिए वो कंटिन्यू रहेगा. Now in this, if there is no time reference, then it is not a future perfect continuous tense. अगर उसमें time reference नहीं दी हुई है. So future continuous tense and perfect continuous tense में there is a difference. Like for example, this time tomorrow I will be enjoying the cricket match in the stadium. This time tomorrow, that is a fixed time is given away. And will be, ing, will be, shall be और ing used होता है. It is also used to talk about the planned actions or action expected to happen. Weeks लगा लो, tomorrow लगा लो, yesterday, like that. So they will be staying for a week. Will be staying for a week. So we are using will be and ing over here. So in this also will, shall, have been plus first form with ing. In this also positive affirmative sentences में क्या होगा? She will have been writing a letter. Negative, she will not have been writing a letter. Interrogative, will she have been writing a letter? And in interrogative negative sentence it will be will she not have been writing a letter. Not लग जाता है. So remember that, students. In this way the four forms of the future tense is being done. In the first only will and shall is used, and in the continuous will, shall plus ing. Then in perfect what we use is have plus verb, that is the third form of verb, will, shall plus verb. And in the last one it is will, shall plus have been and ing. I hope so you have understood. The rest we will discuss in a Zoom class tomorrow and do the exercise. Thank you.